Questions. Did you spend a lot of money on your last trip? What is fair amount? My last trip was to Cartagena. I didn't spend so much money since it was a world trip and despite for how long for an the plane. B. Did you go fishing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place on my drive to Cartagena? I visited the historic center, a famous restaurant, Calle Andrés Carneres, Boca Grande Beach, and did will see. What is the most uncomfort you had tried on a trip? Butifarra is very nice space meat mixture that is eaten with lemon. D. What are the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? Boca Grande is Ujcal are popular for its long sand beach with palm promenades. There are several casinos plus an eclectic food scene that includes beach bars, excellent house and Colombian restaurant, global fast food chains, and coach terrace cafe. The local and international fashion boutiques. What was most amazing activity you did on your trip? What did you do? All were incredible, but the most interesting was going around the beach on yacht for half an hour. Thank you.